this half
Jordi.
of the stuff he said.
Huh?
So what are you gonna do with nature?
I say get with the bugs.
Huh?
Say it again.
The bees.
No, like with ants.
The bees suck the blood out.
No, those are mosquitoes.
Mosquitoes.
No.
Mosquitoes suck the blood out.
Mm-hmm.
That's why we need to kill the mosquitoes. Well, Colin said to kill the ants. My friend Colin, I said to Colin, we can kill some of them. My daddy said, but Colin said, my daddy said, oh, Colin dad said to kill all of them.
But we don't kill nature.
Only mosquito, they'll suck the blood out, like with the things, and with this, to do everywhere.
Yeah, they bite you everywhere, and then you get mosquito bites, and they're itchy.
And then we need to get the Band-Aid to go to the hospital.
No, you don't need to go to the hospital for mosquitoes.
What we need to do to leave the
They go away by themselves.
the boo-boo,
Yep.
Yeah, they go away by themselves.
like they're moving. Well, I got water to clean them all up, and then I feel good. And then I got two waters to do this, and then the mosquitoes can go away, and then cannot bite me.
Okay.
And that's why I need to get water, then go back out there. And when I see a mosquito, I told you, Daddy, and you, Mommy, I see a mosquito, I need water to put it all out. And then the mosquito hides. And then I say, where are you, mosquito? And then the mosquito come out. And then I got the water do this. And then it goes away. And then the water do this. Kaboom! Like
Okay.
fire.
So now whose turn is it to talk?
Now is Daddy. Daddy, come on.
Okay.